Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help you resolve the Net Framework 3.5 error code 0x800F0906 you are coming across on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Just soft click on the start button one time. Type in Windows Features. Best match to go back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. So you want to select where it says Net Framework 3.5. You want to check mark or click inside this box here, and then expand it, click on the little plus sign next to it. And you want to select both of these under here as well. Then select OK. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Alright, should say Windows completed the requested changes. Select Close. Now I would suggest opening up the start menu again. Type in CMD. Best match to go back with Command Prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. So right click over it and copy, or Control C, whatever you prefer. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, left click on edit, and then left click on paste, hit enter. Let this run. Okay, so it should say the restore operation completed successfully. So once you're done with that, I would suggest closing out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.